Come test drive the 2023 MDX. The Acura MDX is a wonderful choice if you're looking for a mid-size luxury crossover SUV. Thanks to its high safety scores, a strong engine, all-around utility, and capable handling, this vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, moonroof, turbocharged, panoramic roof, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, power liftgate. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.